Hello everyone! My name is SillySigi and welcome to another YouTube video of me! Today we're going to do an unboxing video. Guess what? We're going to try new things. So I'm thinking to start an art channel. So I will be sculpting some polymer clay. And guess what? I bought them. So this came. Let's see what's in the box. So we're going to start off with the Sculpting polymer clay. It's a 30 color sampler. But hey, let's open it up. When you open this thing, glad I didn't have to use my knife this time. So now you can see the color way better. So the reason why I bought it is because I wanted to try all the different colors. And let's pick the first one. The first one is like baby blue and it has some glitters on it. Look. So they're not very much big, but I can use it for now. Up to the next one, the second item. These are some tools I bought. By the look at it, but let's start again. These are some tools I bought, but by the look of it, they're like dentist tool.
Look at this hook. Arr, I'm gonna hook you.
You have 12 pieces of tools in this bag.
Next item.
So the next item is a Sculpting Bake and Bound. It's like polymer clay but only in liquid form. For example, you need to attach two different kinds of clay. You can use this to bond and then bake it as well.
Next item.
So this is a whole packet of eye pins I bought. It's like 800 pieces. In one package we have 100 of them. So I bought 8 packages, all of different sizes. This is the shortest one. And this is the longest one. What I like about it is when I don't have any short ones left, we can always use the long one and then cut them in half maybe.
Next item.
I purchased some more tools, but these are really some artsy tools. It's from Kato. Okay. I cut a bag with it. This plate, you just use it as a plate to put your polymer clay on it. And then you can sculpt your polymer clay on it. So that's what it's for. But I don't think I will use it because I already have a glass on the table to put my polymer clay on it. This is the roller. You can roll your clay with it. These are some modeling ball tools. I got 4 pieces in one set. It's very heavy. Where's my knife when you need him? This is the first day, guys. And I'm already breaking some things in my studio. It's made out of rubber, I think, because it's very soft here. Some more sculpting tools. And this is my favorite one. It's so rubbery and it's very satisfying. And we're going to use this to blend some polymer clay. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So here's the different colors of polymer clay, guys. We're going to pick one. I'm gonna pick the green one. This is my rolling pen.
I really like it.
Now we're going to use some of the tools. Most tools in this set has the same functions, so I will only pick a few and show you what it does. So this, for example, this is a kneading tool. I can use it to draw some dots like this. I can draw lines like this, and I can even cut shapes with it. Let's try it. That's a very good idea, guys. You see, I got a shape out of it. So these tools have all pretty much the same functions. You can emboss in your polymer clay. I think you can draw some lines as well. So these tools are also some embossing and cutting tools. They're just the same as the other one because I bought it in a set, so a few extra will always help. These tools you can use as needle tools or embossings. You can even draw lines with it. we're going to use the white part to make the edges soft. So it's like it's blending in with the other part of your polymer clay. It comes in really handy if you want to stick two figures together. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.